Hello, Harris, the best affiliate on the planet. Now, today I'm going to tell you how we're going to collect customer data mid-video or webinar, and then we're going to run automations off that. And then it's just super cool and it's good to know to collect leads. I guess this would be super cool if you got a client's website or your own website, and on the homepage you got a video, and if you put a lot of time and effort into a video, explain what your products do, and then midway or 3/4 of the way, you add a form to that video. So the form just pops up, and to continue the video, to fill the form out, you collect their details and you can send automations, and I'll show you now. Okay, so go into a sub account and let's go to forms here, and let's start from scratch. Or you can start, let's start from scratch. Okay, first thing, obviously, we're going to name this video form. Now, what information do we want to collect? This got quite a bit here already. So first name, last name, phone number, and email. Maybe you don't want the email, maybe you do. Maybe that's too many fields. I think I just want full name top. Button needs to say continue video. This can be for many different scenarios, like whatever you want it to be, but you want a form to pop up in a video. Continue video, then you say even click here. No, you don't want that. So my whole business is like orangey, so let's that, and then we want this to be black. Text color needs to be black. Okay, let's add a text at the top, and we can say here fill out form to continue your webinar or video. So that whole font looks weird. Yep, that looks good. Can we center it in the middle? Yes, we can. There you go. Fill out form. You can even add your logo to the top. You can make it a bit smaller, maybe like 35. That will do. Terms of policy. That's it really. Full name. We can make that required, so they have to do it. I think that's good, to be honest. That form does the job. Okay, let me show you how we're actually going to do this now. So let's go to sites. By the way, if you want my website here, and you can literally copy this as your own. So if you join my affiliate link in the description, get a 30-day free trial and all these benefits here. You get a snapshot of my account, which is basically you can copy my account, my website, etc. into your own account. So you get here, you get all the things that your business can do, and it just gives you a good head start with these type of things. Okay, so yeah, hope that helps. But essentially, I can just add a video. Let's say I add a video here or here. Let's just do that, example sake. All right, so what we want to do is get a video. Now, I'm assuming you've recorded your video, etc., or your webinar. When I mean webinar, I mean like a pre-recorded webinar. So you can put our video here. We can make it a bit nicer. We can add a box shadow to our webinar. We can add a border. We can change the color of it, make it green, make it orange, make it red, make it blue, whatever. Let's make it orange for now. But then in general, what you want to do when it says here video type, what you want to do is you want to do a hosted video. It only works for hosted video. So now you've got your video and you've edited it and you've done everything. Go to hosted video, select your video, go on Canva, make the thumbnail, etc. But what you want to do is you can allow it to allow play and pause. So you may toggle that off if you want to just play and they can't do anything about it. Allow playback speed, show pending time if you want, full screen, enable that. Progress bar. What you want to do is, you see this little one here, generate leads from video. Okay, you want to add the hour, minute, or second that you want this form to pop up. Now you want to select the form. Now our form was called video form. Yep. Allow user to close a form and continue. So we could toggle that off. Now this video form will pop up at, because let me change this to like 3 seconds just to show it. So the video should pop up at 3 seconds. Come down, watch the video. 3 seconds. Here's the form. To keep watching, fill the form below. You don't have to put this text here because it says it there for you. But what you can do is put your name. The client will put their name. Continue video, and then they can continue the video. So that's essentially how it works. Now what we can do is run automations of this. So let's go now back. I don't want to save this. Let me get rid of it. So now we go to automations. What's cool is if we go to select a recipe on automations, if we go to the Fast 5 Lite here, Fast 5 Lite. So the trigger is a Facebook lead form. We don't want that. We want to get rid of that. Add a new trigger, which is form submitted. Come here, go to form is, and the form's going to be our video form, and press save. So now when someone fills that form out, we can send an email to them, or we can get rid of this and send an SMS, but this sends both. So you just go as soon as they fill them out, they're obviously kind of interested in your product, so you want to instantly get to them. Then what happens is you got a wait step. You got to wait for contact reply. So you're going to wait for them to reply for 2 minutes. Then they've got an if else statement. The if else statement is contact replied yes or no. Literally that simple. So if they did reply, then we do another if else. Was it positive or negative? If the intent type was positive, meaning if the high level AI sees that their intent was positive from whatever message you sent over there, you can send booking link or whatever. If it was negative, you can send them a server link. What did you do better? Or you can add an AI here, add an AI function. Or if they didn't reply, what you can do is do a call connect. I've made a separate video on this. Here it is. Set up call connect automation in GoHighLevel. So what happens is if they don't reply, their phone will ring because we collected their number, and your phone will ring, and it will connect you both together. And yeah, and if they don't reply, of course, you got a voicemail. Wait 1 day, then you get asked any questions like that. So that's like a really cool, quick automation done for you. Save that, and you can sell it to businesses, and they'll be amazed. Literally. So that was a pretty cool video. Hope you liked it. Please like the video if I've helped you out, and yeah. Link in the description, 30-day free trial, and you can book a call with me down below. So yeah, thank you.